How to break bead and remove rest of sidewalls from OTR tire. The tech adds heat here with a torch to help loosen foam. To help the bead slide off less raw dog. Be careful not to add too much heat and set that foam on fire, it will burn for days. Give the snap ring a few good love taps to loosen it up, help it slide easier.
That's got my livelihood on it, Craig.
Both techs use a OTR tire bar to help slide down the snapping lock ring. One tech is acting as a placekeeper while the other works around him, then they switch spots and rotate, working their way slowly around the wheel to slide down the lock ring to pull out the locking key. That'd be that locking key. Now we need to remove that old O-ring, people. Use some needle nose pliers. Use a little finesse to get that lock ring off. There we go. Using the forklift, we will try to slide off that upper bead lock. Could be a hammer help loosen her up. Now we use the bead breaker that looks like the jaws of life to help get that bead started down. Don't let this thing fling forward and hit you, people. Sometimes it tries to. By doing the leprechaun stomp around the tire, I lower the other sidewall. Watch them toes with no steel toes, tech. Now make sure to remove any foam from around the valve stem.
I need a raise.
Don't listen to him, we said he don't need shit. Do yourself a favor, make sure that lock ring space is clean, people. No dirt, no foam or debris.
That looks quite nice, Tech. Quite nice.
Don't forget your valve stem.
Put a little more forceful ass in it. A little more.
There you go, old one out, now put the new one in. Would not be a cool way to lose your job for getting a valve stem. Look at that pretty new tire, let's slide it on. Make sure you have the right direction. And do yourself a favor by cleaning that upper bead lock. Pam it as well. Lube it up well. No doubt, like butter. Could be a really good idea to make sure that ring locks up with the key spot. And by using the wedge hand of the hammer, we will help keep the lock ring down to install the new O-ring. Don't worry, people, the fight's just begun. Sometimes that O-ring's a real bad mother to get in there. Well, now, hopefully this video will help you fight your way through it doing this OTR tire. As you can see, we also have vice grips helping hold down the bead lock. Remove them to get that O-ring in, fella. Be careful not to pinch a finger while the snap ring's going on. Put in the peacekeeper. Up, knock it with the hammer. There you go, beautiful. Give her a little tap. Fill it with air. Kick it. Yep, it's good.